Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must get the essentials live and then act. Start with 10+ quality posts in a clear niche so Google can evaluate relevance. Once done, add privacy policy, about, and contact pages, enable HTTPS, and verify ownership. Then apply to AdSense and paste the verification snippet. Make sure the ad tag is on high-traffic pages. That first application and code placement begin the revenue process, so don't wait. Get it submitted and visible right away. Now refine how ads perform. You want responsive units and a mix of proven sizes, 300x250, leaderboard, and in article formats, placed where users naturally look. Make sure your site is mobile first and loads in about 2 to 3 seconds because faster pages increase viewability and CPMs. Once you've set initial placements, run a /B tests on position and density. Measure RPM and CTR. Adjust ad balance so ads don't harm retention. Better UX often yields higher earnings. Finish by turning insights into scale. Use AdSense reports alongside analytics to focus on RPM and traffic quality. Once you identify high-paying pages, create related content clusters to increase impressions. Make sure to block low-value ad categories and optimize for high-intent keywords. If earnings are low or the account is disapproved, check policy compliance, remove scraped or thin content, and improve real user traffic quality. Troubleshoot by fixing those issues first, then reapply or reoptimize for steady growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.